What's up, folks? How we doing? Thanks for checking out the video. In this one, we're going to do a quick unboxing of the Cool Hand grips for a 1911. I'm actually swapping out the rubber grips on a Kimber custom LW 1911 with these Cool Hand grips. It's got kind of a gunmetal black kind of theme to it, and this is the gunmetal color. So they came in an envelope, very small package. And let's go ahead and pop these open. They feel really nice. They got some weight to them. I mean, they're not super heavy, but so here are the grips. Wow, those look really good. And you can hear how solid these guys are. And I can just tell by the size, they're gonna fit. You also get a bag of hardware. So replacement hardware for your current grips as well too. So these are gonna look great on my Kimber 1911 custom LW. Again, this is the Cool Hand grips. And yeah, product looks great, feels great. I am 100% satisfied with my purchase. So thanks for checking out the video. Hope it's been informative. Y'all take care.